My prayerful salutations at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Baba. I'm happy to say a few words on the occasion of our celebrating a decade of service under the auspices of Sri Sathya Sai Vidyavahini program, which was so generously blessed by Swami 10 years back. We have come a long way in these 10 years, but more especially in the last 2 years, there have been good strides that the whole team has made in regard to making very meaningful contribution to the growth of teaching, learning process in the schools. We had originally thought that we would take under our aegis schools which bear the name of Sri Sathya Sai, although these are not schools which had been managed by the management of Sri Sathya Sai institutions. These are schools set up by devotees of Bhagwan with the good intention of providing good education to the students in the rural areas. But due to a lot of constraints, they have not been able to perform to the expected levels of efficiency. It is then that the Vidyavahini program undertook an analysis of the strengths and weaknesses of these schools and then started a program of providing them good material for the teachers which can be used as teaching material. Although the program had taken up the syllabus of various state boards and also the central board, the concentration was mostly in regard to the central board. Then, of course, a phase came when the mapping of these state boards with reference to the central board was done. Today, the lesson plans of all the subjects for the classes 1 to 8 have been completed and are made available to the schools for the teachers to improve their teaching ability. The 9th and 10th class material is being done, attended to by teachers. I would like to express my deep sense of thanks to the volunteer group which has grown considerably in the last 2 to 3 years. From about 65 to 70, it has now grown up to a very considerable figure of about 900, and it is likely to touch 1,000 in the near future. To all those volunteers, we owe a deep debt of gratitude because they have taken this subject of participating in this program with a zeal which is hard to come by. Many of these volunteers are alumni of Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Learning, Anantapur campus, to whom I should express my grateful thanks. The second group of people who really require or who really deserve our compliments are teachers who are participating in the Bal Vikas program in the country. They also have been substantially contributing to the teaching material. And there is finally a third class of volunteers who are spread all over the world. These are volunteers from overseas, particularly from the United States and the Middle East. They have also contributed in no small measure to the growth of availability of reading, of teaching material. To all of them, on behalf of Sri Sathya Sai Vidyavahini, I express my deep sense of thanks. All this have been possible for them also because they have taken it as their dedication to Swami. The way in which they have participated has been defined by their deep sense of gratitude to Bhagwan, to whom they feel they owe their lives. First as students, and later as teachers, and perhaps also now that they're in different walks of life. But irrespective of their background, they've all come together and given their best in terms of teaching material. I do not know whether there is any other organization in the country which has dedicated itself to providing teaching material of this quality. Possibly yes, but I'm not aware of it. The second part of it in which Vidyavahini program had associated itself is provision of not only teaching material but also considerable help is in regard to certain aspirational districts which have been taken up by the Government of India as a part of improving the teaching quality in government schools. A special reference needs to be made in this context to the district of Virudhunagar in Tamil Nadu, in which about nearly 100 schools are participating. This has called for very consistent efforts on the part of Vidyavahini program through the volunteer force. This aspirational district of Virudhunagar, I am glad to say, is effectively participating, and I hope the organization like Niti Aayog will find considerable satisfaction that this program is taking roots thanks to the very sincere participation by the volunteer group of Sri Sathya Sai Vidyavahini program. We have to do a lot more work in regard to the 9th and 10th class. The progress is on. It'll take some time. But more important is the way in which not only the subjects are taught as they taught to, but also infusing them with a sense of human values. This is a more difficult part because this is likely to be not taken serious note of by the professional teachers. Most of them will be content with teaching science or social studies or language the way in which it is normally practiced. But to infuse them with a sense of values is even more difficult, and it requires a certain temperament, a certain training for the teachers to do so. And I'm glad to say that those who have been put through the system of Sri Sathya Sai value education have done a commendable job of not only absorbing the values in their lives, but also trying to transmit those values to the children at their early ages. I shall look forward to their continued participation in the years to come, and I'm sure, with the grace of Bhagwan, possibly this program will be recognized by various organizations, including the governments in the country as a whole. The last part of it, which I thought I must also make mention, is the Diksha program, which has been initiated by the Government of India. The idea being that first-class teaching material must be available on any portal for teachers in any part of India. And I think in this direction, I'm told that the professional organization like NCERT had asked Vidyavahini program to submit lesson plans. And I'm glad to say that all the plans which have been sent have all been accepted and commended by the NCERT. I'm sure that this is the beginning of a great enterprise which the Vidyavahini program, Sri Sathya Sai Vidyavahini program, will be engaged in the years to come. Let us once again, express our deep sense of gratitude to Bhagwan Baba. And I wish you all the participants in the office here, the volunteer corps elsewhere, all of them, great success in the future endeavors. Thank you very much. Sai Ram.